The ocean, covering more than 70% of our planet, remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries. In its abyss, where light barely reaches, strange sounds have echoed through the water for decades, baffling scientists and inspiring stories of monsters lurking in the deep. These are the mysterious sounds of the ocean. From unexplained booms to eerie roars, these phenomena raise the question, what is really down there? One of the most famous sounds ever recorded from the ocean's depths is the bloop. Detected in 1997, this sound was unlike anything ever heard before. The bloop was picked up by NOAA's hydrophones and was louder than any marine animal we know of. Initially, some theorized it was a massive creature, perhaps larger than a blue whale. Others speculated more wildly. Was it the sound of a hidden oceanic civilization or an undiscovered leviathan? It was an exciting moment, and the mystery sparked both serious scientific debate and wild speculation about what could create such a powerful sound in the ocean. However, later analysis pointed to a more natural explanation. The sound was likely generated by the cracking of ice shelves in Antarctica. But even this explanation leaves room for wonder, as it reveals the hidden forces at play in Earth's most remote regions. Another mystery sound, first recorded in 1991, is known as the upsweep. The sound is a long, ascending wail, detected seasonally in the Pacific Ocean. Its source has yet to be fully identified, though some scientists believe it could be related to underwater volcanic activity. The upsweep may be linked to the movement of magma or hydrothermal vent activity, but it's challenging to confirm without a more precise location of the sound's source. To this day, the upsweep continues to be heard, its haunting sound remaining an enigma, even in a world where technology has allowed us to probe the ocean more deeply than ever before. Beneath the tranquil waves of the ocean lies a symphony of sounds, a world where each murmur tells a story. Among these, the hum resonates, a soft, low-frequency sound that reverberates through the depths, creating an intriguing mystery that captivates scientists and explorers alike. Unlike the strikingly dramatic bloop or the enigmatic upsweep, the hum possesses a subtlety that invites curiosity, prompting one to ponder its origins and purpose in the aquatic realm. The journey to understand the hum begins in the depths of the ocean, where its frequency travels with ease through water, yet is detectable far beyond the sea. Researchers have identified that this sound, while often faint, carries across vast distances, leaving many questions in its wake. Theories abound, suggesting that this enigmatic noise may be linked to seismic activity, underwater volcanoes, or even the chorus of marine life communicating beneath the waves. Each hypothesis reveals the interconnectedness of the ocean's ecosystem, a web of sounds cloaked in mystery, waiting to be unraveled. The hum is a worldwide phenomenon. It's been detected across oceans and coasts, and some people claim they can even hear it in their homes. What's behind this strange sound? The world is a complex interplay of natural forces and human activities, yet some phenomena defy straightforward explanations. Scientists have theorized about various factors contributing to these mysteries, from the movement of tectonic plates beneath our feet to the ceaseless flow of ocean currents that shape the climate and ecosystems. Each theory presents a compelling narrative, but none entirely encapsulate the grand scale of what we observe on a global level. Tectonic plates, like colossal jigsaw pieces, drift slowly across the Earth's surface, occasionally colliding, separating, or sliding past one another. This movement gives rise to earthquakes and volcanic activity, dramatically altering landscapes and influencing weather patterns. However, while tectonic shifts can account for local disturbances, they fail to address the widespread phenomena that affect large swathes of the planet. Then there are ocean currents, vast rivers of water churning through the oceans, influencing climate and weather across continents. The Gulf Stream, for instance, warms the eastern US and northwestern Europe, while colder currents can plunge regions into chill. Despite their impact on weather and climate, ocean currents alone cannot uncover the world's mysteries. Their reach is significant, but they stop short of wholly explaining the phenomena that span global dimensions. While we know the sound is real, Pinpointing its exact source remains elusive, adding to the ocean's long list of unsolved mysteries. Beneath the shimmering surface of the ocean lies a realm rich with sound, where the songs of its inhabitants resonate like an ancient symphony. Among these vocal artists are the majestic whales, whose haunting melodies echo through the deep waters, communicating their emotions and stories across vast distances. The complex vocalizations of whales are not merely random noises. They are intricate songs filled with meaning. Each species possesses its own unique repertoire, a melodic language that can articulate everything from mating calls to warnings about predators. Imagine the deep, haunting notes of a humpback whale gliding through the water, vibrating with life and emotion. This underwater symphony serves as a reminder of the complexity of life in the ocean, revealing layers of communication that we are only beginning to understand. As these gentle giants traverse the expansive ocean, their songs can travel hundreds of miles, weaving connections among populations that may never meet face to face. They share their experiences, articulate their boundaries, and express their feelings through these echoing sounds. A blue whale's low-frequency calls can be felt in the bones of those who dare to listen, reverberating through the very fabric of the sea. This unique form of communication enhances the bonds within their pods, serving to maintain social structures and navigate the unpredictable world of the deep. Interestingly, such melodious notes have not only captivated the attention of scientists, but have also inspired countless artists and musicians around the world. The beauty of a whale's song transcends language, capable of stirring profound emotions in those fortunate enough to hear it. From documentary films to musical compositions, the otherworldly sounds of the ocean resonate in various forms of art, capturing the essence of life beneath the waves and reminding us of our connection to the natural world. The complex songs of humpback whales, for example, can be heard over hundreds of miles. But even these familiar sounds hold mysteries. Scientists are still trying to understand why these marine giants sing and how their songs evolve over time. Beneath the surface of the ocean, a haunting symphony unfolds. Whale songs resonate across vast distances, their melodies weaving the fabric of marine communication. These ethereal sounds are not mere calls. They echo the profound connections whales forge with one another. Understanding the depth of these vocalizations invites us into a world where emotion and interaction linger in the salty waters. The cadence of whale songs varies, with different species exhibiting unique patterns and styles. Songs are not static. They evolve, embracing change as new notes intertwine with traditions passed down through generations. Each sound serves as a thread in a complex tapestry of relationships, conveying messages of mating, navigation, and social bonding. The fluid nature of these songs reflects the intelligence and adaptability of these magnificent creatures, hinting at a rich, emotional landscape that scientists are eager to explore. But the quest to decipher these underwater narratives is only beginning. Recent studies reveal that whale songs can be understood as intricate forms of communication, filled with layers of meaning yet to be fully unveiled. As researchers listen intently, they seek to decode these rhythms and melodies, using sophisticated technology to capture and analyze the nuances. This journey into the depths may one day unveil insights into whale behavior, population dynamics, and even their emotional states. The implications of this research stretch beyond the scientific realm. Understanding whale songs can deepen our connection to these sentient beings. As humans encroach on their habitat, the urgency to grasp their language grows more pressing. Each note lost amidst the cacophony of human activity is a piece of their existence at risk. By prioritizing preservation efforts through knowledge, we take a monumental step toward safeguarding not only whales but the intricate ecosystems they contribute to. Every song that carries through the water has a purpose, echoing the joys, challenges, and dreams of these sea giants. As we listen and learn, we find ourselves intertwined in their narrative, a shared journey through the depths of the ocean and the heart. Ultimately, the songs of whales remind us of the importance of conservation, encouraging us to harmonize with nature rather than drown out its symphonies. But it's not just whales. The ocean is teeming with life forms capable of producing sounds that can travel great distances. Giant squids, deep-sea fish, and other elusive creatures might be behind some of the noises we've yet to explain. From icebergs to underwater volcanoes, the natural world holds many possible explanations for these strange sounds. But not all mysteries are so easily solved. While science has explained some phenomena, like the bloop, others, like the upsweep and the hum, remain shrouded in mystery. Could there be creatures we have yet to discover? Or are these sounds simply natural processes we've only just begun to understand? The deep sea, covering more than 90% of the ocean's expanse, remains one of Earth's final frontiers. A vast blue abyss, it harbors mysteries that not only captivate human curiosity, but also challenge the limits of our understanding and exploration. At depths exceeding 20,000 feet, this underworld reveals a landscape that is alien yet mesmerizing, filled with bioluminescent creatures and bizarre geological formations, creating an environment as intriguing as it is harsh. Despite the immense size of these underwater realms, more than 80% remains unmapped. Technologies like bathymetric mapping and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are slowly peeling away the layers of this aquatic enigma. Every mission into this obscured territory raises questions rather than providing conclusive answers. What forms of life exist in these cold, dark waters? How do they adapt to such extreme conditions where sunlight cannot penetrate? Each discovery fuels a fire of speculation, highlighting the vast potential for uncovering new species, ecosystems, and even untapped resources. Moreover, the deep sea plays a critical role in regulating our planet's climate. It acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. Understanding how these ocean depths function is crucial in our ongoing battle against climate change. Recent studies suggest that the health of deep-sea ecosystems directly influences the stability of global climate patterns. As we learn more about these hidden oceans, we inch closer to realizing the interconnection between the depths and surface changes affecting the entire planet. The potential for scientific advancement in the deep sea is not limited to climate. The unique biological adaptations found there could inspire breakthroughs in medicine, biotechnology, and renewable energy. For instance, compounds extracted from deep-sea organisms have already led to innovations in cancer treatment and antibiotic development. Each sample collected may hold the key to solving real-world challenges and enhancing human life on land. The ocean is a world of wonder and mystery, where every sound could be the key to uncovering something new. As technology advances and we continue to explore the depths, perhaps one day we'll unlock the secrets of these mysterious noises. But until then, the ocean will keep its deepest sounds and its deepest mysteries.